Does it look like a bike? Wheels? Bike. It is a bike. It's a bike for you. Whoa. It is a bike.
Okay, I need to put it together. Damn. Just can't wait. It just seems like too much fun. Alright, watch out, honey. I need to take this back up.
Is it square? And a circle? And that one's a square. You know where to put your feet. I didn't know you knew where to put your feet. Alright, honey, you gotta get off so Daddy can finish making it. Good listening. Good job. Good job, Kylie. That's a pedal. Can you say pedal? Pedal.
I'm going to get over top of it so you can eat on it.
It's gonna worm her little feet in there.
It's unbelievable.
She's excited.
See that?
Is that your bike, Kylie? Is that a bike for you? It's a bike for you. Is that Kylie's bike? You say screwdriver? Good try. Screwdriver. Are you telling the screwdriver to hush? Are you helping? You go put some screws in? That's a hammer. Did Daddy hammer the wheels? You can use a screwdriver?
You don't want this like a rocking chair then?
Oh no.
Okay, because that's the first step.
Right. You can screw the wheels on. Use a screwdriver. There is a circle. Yeah.
Okay, ready? And go this forward. And go to mommy. Put your feet on the pedals.
It's your bike. She's very serious about it.
Okay, straighten it out. Put your other foot up. Whoa.
Serious business, huh?
Ready? Can you say thank you, Grammy? Say thank you, Grammy. Grammy and Papa.
So serious. think she's concentrating really hard.
Concentrating on her feet.
Yeah. Beep beep. Beep beep. You taking your pipe cleaners for a ride?
It would more sense to take the bear for a ride.
It's true.
And then we can see if Beaker wants a ride. You want a ride, Beaker? Oh, I love rides. Okay, thank you. Big stuff now.
Yeah, you doing it yourself? There you go. Good job. You figuring out how to steer? There you go. Good job. Good job, honey.
I'd push you. She has her feet on the pedals. Yeah, this is kind of like that.
Yeah, it's a friend on a bike too.
Put your feet on the pedals.
There you go.
Oh, good job.
There you go. Come get me. 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 Wow. Hey.
You're in the way.
What are you doing? What are you doing?